In this video, I will show some ways to make money with your WhatsApp group. Now, the first way is getting a subscription fee for your exclusive content. And you can just charge people a fee to join your group and to access your content. And your content should be highly interesting to convince people to pay to join your group. The second sure way to make money with your WhatsApp group is in doing affiliate marketing. And you need first to look for businesses with affiliate programs and start selling their products or services to earn a commission. And you can just include your affiliate links or codes on your group profile or on your post. Another sure way to make money with your WhatsApp group is selling your own products or services. And you can sell like everything from physical products and digital products to offering advice and security tasks or on jobs. And you just need to showcase your products or services on your group or direct your group participants to where they can buy or access the products or services. The next sure way to make money with your WhatsApp group is through sponsored content. And here, you can partner with brands to promote their products or services through influencer marketing and get paid. And you can just make posts about the brand, product or service, or mention the brand, product or service on your group profile. And there's also crowdfunding as another sure way to make money with your WhatsApp group. And this involves asking your group participants for monetary support or donations. And you can also take your group content like videos to membership platforms like Patreon or Coffee and earn a subscription fee. And as a bonus, other ways to make money with your WhatsApp group include promoting your monetized website or YouTube channel, completing challenges and contests for pay, and collaborating with top WhatsApp groups to boost your group and earnings. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on WhatsApp and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.